and AP consists of 50 terms. So did that give you any information in which third term is 12 and last term is 106? Find the 29th term. I don't want to give you a hint. I want you all to do it yourself. Yes. Done? Is it done? What happened? Is it difficult? What happened, guys? You're not getting it? Need help?
Mom, can you help?
What does
Can you
it
do
tell
this one
you?
and give another one like it?
Huh? What does the first sentence tell you? An AP consists of 50 terms, right? And then it says something like last term is 106. So which term is 106?
50th term.
50th term. A50 is equal to 106. How do you write A50? A plus 50
All one,
minus
not
1, 49D.
D.
Is that correct? Now they
Yes,
did
ma'am.
give you some more information. They said third term is 32. What happened? We have done this kind of questions.
A plus 2D equals 32.
Exactly. A plus 2D equal to 32. Now you can do elimination and figure out what is minus minus minus. So 9 minus 2 is 47D equal to. Chalo, do it fast. How much is D now? D is equal to
74.
74 divided by 47.
yes. So is it 74? 106 minus I think there is a printing mistake. It's not 12, 32. It's 12. There is a printing mistake. Okay. So this is 12. If this is 12, the whole picture changes. This becomes 94. And because of that, your D becomes 2. You got your D. Substitute D here. A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. A plus 4 equal to 12. So your A is equal to 8. Now you have D. So you just have to find which term. Find the 29th term. A 29 equal to A plus 28 into D. That means 8 plus 28 into 2. That means how much? 8 plus 56, which is equal to 64. That is your question. Was it difficult? Did we do similar questions, kids?
Ma'am, so we don't need to use the an equals a plus n minus 1 into b. We can use that.
Wait 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you give a question similar to this?
Arey, we did a lot of questions similar to this.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Ma'am, one more.
Oh, am I not audible? Oh God. Wait.
Ma'am, you are audible.
I'll switch off fan 1 minute. We have done many questions like this. I don't know if I have more questions like this now. Because almost so many questions we have done. Let me see if I can, but again it will be little different. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? What is the sum of all these two-digit numbers? Do it, figure it out how to do this. Sister, endocrinology ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിൽ വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ 3:30 അപ്പോയിൻമെന്റ് കിട്ടിയത്. അപ്പോയിൻമെന്റ് അല്ല, വെയിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ അതെ അതെ ആ ശരി ശരി. Yes, need help? First you think what all things can you get from this question and then you start doing it, okay? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Amala, let's do this together. Which is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3?
Ma'am, 12.
Okay, that means for our AP, our first number is 12. A is equal to 12. And after that, you have to check the last two-digit number, which is 99. Is that
Yes, ma'am.
divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means your last term is 99. Last term,
A9.
huh?
Oh, okay.
You can find out the last term, right?
Why do you have to find out? Because they are just asking two-digit numbers, right? And you know the last two-digit number is 99. You will just check if it's divisible by 3. If it is divisible, then automatically this becomes the last digit, right?
Mom, I got 30.
Yeah. So if this is the last number, an is equal to 99. How do you write an? A plus n minus 1 equal to 99. Here your a is 12. Correct?
12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Like 3 is the common difference, right?
3 is the common difference because all of them are divisible by 3 because your AP will look like 12, 15, 18. So the D is 3 and this is 99. Correct? Understand? These are like basic questions and 100% these kind of questions are coming. 3n minus 3 equal to 99. 12 minus 3 is, then it
3.
goes there and n becomes
9.
30. That means there are 30 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Is that correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now I told you the formula for sum also. What is the formula for sum? Sum formula, sum. Any idea what is the formula for sum?
And this is the A minus D, A plus D.
Think. Sum of n terms is equal to what? N by 2 bracket.
Ma'am, I don't think we did this.
Okay, fine. Because 10th grade and 9th grade is doing the same chapter. You are doing little bit advanced.
Wait, ma'am, we're doing more advanced than 10th
Yeah, your
graders.
questions are little trickier compared to theirs. होता है, we can't help it, baby. Chalo, let us learn the formula for sum also. Okay, I was thinking that it's not there for you, but I think it is there. Okay, sum is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is your sum formula. So for our previous question, what will it become? As 30. There are 30 numbers. We are going to find the sum of 30. So this will be 30 by 2 and 2 into 12 plus n is 30. So it will become 29 into 3. Correct? Then S30 equal to 15
15,
into 24
24,
plus class la. അത് ഇവിടുന്ന് വന്നേണ്ട ഇവിടെ ചൂടായിരുന്നു തണുപ്പായിരുന്നു അവള് ഒറ്റേക്കം പറയാ. This is the answer, guys. 1665. Is that okay?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the thing that we did before this, that was to find the number of terms.
Yeah. What was that? That
Okay.
was a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you were finding a term at a particular position. You are finding a term at a particular position here. But here you are finding the sum of all the terms of an AP. Is that clear? So that is the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make you do a question based on this formula. Okay. How many terms of an AP 54, 51, 48? Check. Check this. Let me know if you are okay to find it or you need help. Would you be able to do it? How many terms of an AP should be taken so that their sum is? How will you go about it? Yeah.
Ma'am, we first say Sn is equal to 513. So 513 is equal to n by 2, and using that formula,
And
then
huh?
then we know that d is equal to 3 because it keeps decreasing by 3.
Mom, isn't it
See,
minus 3?
see, yeah, always when you have to find D, the formula is A2 minus A1. So 51 minus 54 will be
54
minus 3.
minus 3.
That is D.
Mama, is A 54?
A is 54 for you. Let me check. Yep,
Yes, ma'am, it's 50.
yeah, A is 54. 513 equal to n by 2. Oh, A is 54, right? Sure. Do it, do it. And kids, please don't hesitate to ask doubts. You are not going to get anything if you are introvert. I
Ma'am,
understand.
how is A 54? How is A 54?
It's given now. This is your AP. So this is,
Ma'am, ma'am, these could also be the last three terms of the A period.
they did not say that. How many terms of an AP? They're saying AP. No, there will be dots like
Ma'am,
this.
we can take it to how we wanted it because they didn't choose how we should take it, so we can just choose
No,
what
no,
will
no.
make it
The
easier for
problem
us.
is Laksh, after the AP, there are dots here. So I forgot to put that. So that means it continues. If it is the last, it will be like this. Okay, there is a difference. This will be last and this will be first. So do it. You finished it? Did you get the final answer? Oh, I think we are getting a quadratic equation. Did you all get that? Quadratic equation. And I think 3 is common also. Did you get a quadratic equation, kids?
Ma'am, 3 is
Yes.
common, right? So
Yeah,
like,
3 is common.
okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Can you scroll down? Ma'am, how do you get 3n square?
Okay. So that here there is the relationship between this and this is multiplication, right? So 2 can go here. I took 2 here. So that is 513 into 2. And here we are opening the bracket. Correct? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. After that, the 1026 equals 111 n minus 3n square. After that, what do you do?
I see my 3n square is negative, isn't it? To make sure that it becomes positive, I moved it to the left hand side. I moved this also to the left hand side. And in the right hand side, I only kept a 0. Can you observe?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't know what to do once you get n square minus 37n plus 342.
Okay, we will take 342 into, because the coefficient of n square is 1, we will get 342 only. Then we will do prime factorization. 2 ones are 2, 7, 1, 9, 3. You can do 3. 5s are 15, 7. Again 3, 1, 9. Isn't it? And we need 37. 18 into 19 will give plus or minus will give 37, right? Minus 18 and minus 19, and what do you say?
No, after we get n square, after we get 3n square minus 111 n plus 1026, we take 3 common, right?
Yeah, I took 3 common in this one. That 3 goes to the right hand side. 0 by 3 is 0.
Now, what do you do after that?
Oh, you are finding difficult. Okay. Oh, okay. Middle term splitting is a challenge. Wait.
Oh, I'm here to split the middle term. Okay.
Yeah, this from here you observe your algebraic expression, kids. You have done this middle term splitting. So here we will get n minus 18 common and the left out is n minus 19. You are getting two answers. Either n is equal to 18 or n is equal to 19.
Also, we have to multiply the extremes, right?
Yeah, you multiply the extremes. The coefficient of n square is 1. So 1 into 342.
Well, ma'am, I forgot to do it. What do you do after?
Wait, let me make you guys do some questions like this then.
Okay, so what do we do after the 342? Why it is 342?
Wait, ma. Let I need to make you do some middle term splitting. Only then you will understand. You what you do is there are four terms right now, right? So I got two factors of 342. What are the two factors? I got 18 into 19 is 342. Now, when I look at 18 and 19, if I add them, I will get 37 also. So it's negative 37. So to add, I'll have to put negative sign before the two numbers. Correct? Other than Siddhant, nobody is asking questions. So are you all clear with this?
No, it's just a bit tricky.
After
Yeah,
that, you do grouping. This is grouped together. This is grouped together. You take.
Ma'am, so
ma'am, so you don't need to split it for the same number.
No, it is splitting the middle term. Right? We have split 37, 18 and 19.
And
Correct?
then after that, we
ma'am, I
take
have a
the
question.
common.
Yeah, we take the common. We have to remember in the bracket, the values will remain same. Right? So
Ma'am,
this
will more
becomes
of like
common.
in the exam, will it be more of these addition type of questions or will it be like finding the term questions?
Finding the term is definitely there. In your question, in your textbook, I found one question of addition till now. I was not expecting some in grade 9. But let us understand this, okay? In case if it comes, you should not be in a problem. Some will be there, looks like. So, first of all, sometimes it's very easy. Only when you come up with the algebraic expression where you have to do middle term splitting. But I don't think that should be difficult for you. Why? I'll show you.
Mom, in the book, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. What is that?
Wait,
Why is
wait.
it different?
Sn is equal to
N into n plus 1 by 2
Yeah, ma'am. In the textbook, it's like that.
to represent the first n natural numbers.
that is for the first n natural numbers, right?
So that's only for natural numbers. The other one is for like any equation, like any AP.
This has to be for all. This is also for what did they write there?
If we use this notation Sn to represent the sum of the first n natural numbers.
Yeah, it is only for first n natural numbers. That's correct. Positive integers which start from 1. Like sometimes they ask you to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. So find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So you cannot go on doing it, right? So
Yeah.
to this formula is to find sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. Find the
And
sum
the,
of, huh?
and the other one that you told is just for like
Exactly.
five.
That is anything.
Yeah. Okay.
So I wanted to give you one middle term splitting question. Give me a moment. I just got it and let us understand middle term splitting. It was there in 8th grade, but looks like we forgot. We'll just do a little bit of revision. Arey yaar, in polynomials chapter also we did na kids. You forgot. In polynomials, didn't we do it?
I'm not in polynomials, it's an algebraic expression.
Huh?
Algebraic expressions.
Yeah, in polynomials, that identities chapter. You forgot?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it. Don't forget, ninth grade, all the chapters will come from the beginning. So here, the coefficient of x square is 1. First step is plus 12 into 1. Or you can also say plus 12 into 1x square. How much is it? 12x square. Find the factors of 12. 12x into 1x will give you that. 2x into 6x will give you this.
4x and 3x.
4x and 3x will also give you that. Now, if I add or subtract 12 and 1, will I get 7? No, I won't. If I add or subtract 2 and 6, will I get 7? Not possible. Here, if I add 3x and 4x, I will get 7. So I will go for that. I'm splitting this 7x into 3x and 4x. When everything is plus, we don't have to worry. We can just put plus sign easily. After that, we are grouping this and this. Now, in grouping, what is common here? X is common. X plus
Ma'am, I got it.
3 and here 4 is common. One
4
thing we have to
x plus
remember Your bracket should be same. If it is not same, you are doing something wrong. So here it becomes x plus 3 and here it becomes x plus 4. So you can say x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. X plus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4. Understood? This is middle term splitting to find the value of x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, why does x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0?
Yeah, because if you have to find the value of the x, we'll have to equate it to 0, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I remember now.
Okay. So now kids, this is the thing, some formula. Let us do few more questions. And I don't think we can today start GP again because this has to be cleared first. Okay. First we get this clear, then we will go further. Now where is my textbook? How many? Okay. Harish started. Okay. Look at this.
Ma'am, increment means increase, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Try to understand this now.
That's 7 million, right? No, that's
Ma'am,
700,000.
we can take 7 lakh as SN, right?
After how many years? Yeah. See. You have to
Okay.
think properly. Don't go by that. After how many years his salary? Okay. Laksh, your not your salary. Let's say somebody's salary is 1,000 in the first year. Second year it is 2,000. Third year it is 3,000. Fourth year it is 4,000. Then it is 5,000. So do you think 5,000 is the sum of all of them?
No.
No, right? So it's not some.
Yeah.
Think properly, logically, everybody. This is very confusing kind of question. You have to understand word by word to realize if it is sum or term.
Ma'am, it's the final term, right? 700,000. So A is 500,000 and D is 20,000, right?
Hmm. ഈ ഡ്രസ്സ് വന്നു, പിന്നെ 2 മണിമാലുണ്ട്. ഇത് ആർക്കൊക്കെയാണ്?
Ma'am, it's L11.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is it 11
Yeah.
years?
Hari started. So, kids, if you have not understood, please look here. Hari
Mom,
started
can you wait?
work.
I'm almost done.
Huh?
Mom,
What?
can you just wait for like 2 more minutes? I'm almost done.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, we get A is 500,000 and then D is just the increase, and then we use the formula.
Exactly.
Ma'am, it's 700,000 is AN. It's the final term.
Hmm.
Mom, is it after 11 years?
See, let us see. Hari started his work at an annual salary of this one. That means the first term, the first salary that he received is 5 lakhs and received an increment of, so second year he is getting an increment of 20,000. Correct. Each year it is happening. Now they are saying there is a situation that at the end his salary is becoming 7 lakhs. Correct. Now we have A1, we have last term, and we also have D. So we can just need to say AN is equal to
A
A
equal
plus
to
N
A and A
minus
plus
1.
N minus 1.
Exactly. So substitute 7 lakh equal to 5 lakh plus N minus 1, 20,000. Correct? Now 7 lakh minus 5 lakh is 2 lakhs. That is done. 20,000 N minus 20,000. Correct? Now 20,000 comes here. So this becomes how much? 2 lakh 20,000. Right? N is equal to 4 zeros cut. N is equal to 11. It was not hard. Is it fine? Let's go to the next question. Next question. You comfortable? Everybody is comfortable? Kids, are you comfortable doing these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have GP also, AP. 10th grade has only till AP. You have GP also.
Ma'am, what's GP?
Geometrical progression. We have to do that. I wanted to do that before.
Ma'am, why do we need to do it if they don't have it?
Your book is changed, baby. I don't have any idea what will happen in grade 10. What all new things
Ma'am, but
will.
like in
Ma'am,
10th grade, if they're not doing this, then why are we doing like?
That's what from
ma'am, I don't
9th
think they'll
onwards.
give it for
Geometrical,
the
I mean,
exam.
geometrical progression like the Fibonacci sequence and that.
Yeah, the syllabus changed from 9th onwards. No, this year's
Ma'am,
10th
but I
grade
don't
is
think
the
it
golden
like
batch.
GP will come for us.
This year's 10th grade is the golden batch. You all know that. They will just
Ma'am,
move
why is it
on
golden
with the.
batch?
Hmm?
Why is it golden batch?
Only.
Ma'am, next year will be like harder. Like
Yeah,
next year, 10 will we have like elongate stuff?
that's what they're saying. Prediction analysis is going on. Not.
Ma'am, next year if you are in 10th grade, will they change the book or will they keep
They
the
will
book?
change. They will. Ninth, they have changed so much. So 10th, definitely next year going to be big change. Next year, big change. I don't know what. I seriously, Ganit Manjari Part 2 is not yet released. So, why? Is it not there for grade 9? Did your teachers say something like that? Did
Ma'am, I
Will
don't
you
think.
teach advanced math?
advanced math? Yeah, I want to, but like we have to see like how the books are. Because if there is Ganit
Ma'am, I have a
Manjari Part,
question.
huh?
Ma'am, will the teachers give the papers right when school starts, or will they like start collecting just before it starts?
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, like last year for your ninth graders, did they get the papers as the day school started?
Oh, yeah. Oh God, you have to get papers. My God. Yeah. No, first day. Some teachers give you, and this Gulam sir. And all. Do you have Gulam sir? No, right?
No.
Some teachers give the same day. Others might give you some consideration.
No, SC1 was not that hard, but SC2 might be a little hard.
It won't be hard yet. See, if there is no Ganit Manjari Part 2, we are already done with our syllabus. So we can focus on
Ma'am,
proper
what's the only
revision.
problem?
But if there is a textbook, then we don't know because that book also will have around 7 chapters, now.
Ma'am, but it won't be released in time because they won't be able to teach everything.
That's what I'm also thinking, yeah, because it's already August is over. Now, what is the use of releasing that book? September, October, November, December, 4 months. But in school also, most of the chapters are not over. No, how much we completed, they have not done now.
I mean, even I'm also an annual day and everything's going to start, so there's going to be less teaching also.
Yeah. I don't
Mom,
know what is.
Siddhant's
If it's
always
only
he's just
Ganit
waiting for
Manjari
annual.
part 1, then it is good for us because we will start with revision after 1 month or so because we have to do just little bit. But
Ma'am, so like,
Wait,
will only be these
Mom,
8
I have a
chapters in the
question.
textbook.
That's that is why it is little confusing, Ritik. I think
Mom, I
there
have a
will be
doubt.
part 2, but it's already September. They've not. I've asked so many teachers, whom all I know if there is any release. No one is telling. No one has any idea as of now.
Ma'am, I think that's why they made it tough. So it's like less chapters, like but more hard the chapters are. Like it's much more tough.
Mom, do you think for the UT all three of these chapters will come?
Huh?
For UT too, like all three chapters we did the summer, those three will come, or do you think it'll only be the first two?
I think 2 chapters only will come for UT2. Two basically.
So ma'am, only area, perimeter, and circles.
I think so.
Okay.
Circles mostly for final, okay? Last year and all circles was for finals.
Oh,
Ma'am, and also in essay, ma'am, in essay one, most of the questions were from geometry. Like there were very less questions from other chapters.
ma'am,
Yeah.
the whole paper was repeated, ma'am. It was repeated. Whatever questions we
Mom, the
did.
only hard part about essay one was science physics. That's
Yeah,
the only thing I think I can get bad
Yeah.
in.
yeah.
Yeah, I think all the kids were saying that, right?
Mom, like many people Sid, you have the very strict teacher, yeah?
Huh?
You said you had the very like the Roman mom kind of physics teacher, yeah?
Yeah.
Is she good at correcting or she's strict with that?
Well, I have no clue.
Mom, our physics teacher thinks we're all dumb. That's the only problem. So she'll either give us marks because she thinks we're dumb or she won't.
Depends, yeah. Ninth grade and all, na? Ninth is next to 10th, so they won't make it that easy also for you. Okay, let us try to do this and see.
Ma'am, this one's easy, right? We just find A, which is 1. Then
Ma'am, we
D
use
is
the equation
also
which I
1.
told, right?
You got
Ma'am,
the
and then we just
answer?
use the sum formula.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, we have to use the equation which I told, right? Like the n into n
A
plus
child
1.
arranges marbles in rows so
Ma'am,
that
is it fine if we use the other one?
wait,
Like the Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 dt.
yeah, a child arranges marbles in rows so that the first row has one marble, second has two, third has three, and so on up to 25. So you are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is the natural number formula. Sn equal to n
N
into
into
n
n
plus 1
plus 1.
by
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what's the difference in the formulas?
ma'am, is it 375,
yeah
372?
325.
Ma'am, what's the difference? How do we know when to use which formula?
Okay.
Aren't they
See,
the same?
this one here in this question, there is what kind of increment is it? 1 plus 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is your AP. So when you look at the AP, you understand its natural number trend going on, isn't it? So this one you can easily go for natural number formula. But if it was 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma can you go for natural number? No. It looks like a proper AP. Here, this is your A, your D. You have a D. You will have to find sum using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This formula you will have to use. Correct?
So the first formula is only for natural numbers.
Exactly. That is
Ma'am, but
only.
why can't we use the same formula to find that?
And that's the problem up to 25th. Yeah, you can use that formula also. There is no wrong, nothing wrong.
Ma'am, so the natural number formula is just to make it easier.
Yeah, that is just for MCQs and all. If you use, it will be easier.
And so we use this formula only for natural numbers.
For
And
natural
so we
number,
can't use,
you
yeah, for
can.
natural numbers.
I'm not saying you can't. You can definitely use it. See, there are 25 rows. That means your A1 is equal to 1. So A2 is equal to how much? They are saying 2. So that is done. The difference is 1 here. This is your A, this is your 2. And A25 is equal to 25. You have to find some 25. You can do that. There is nothing wrong. Just that it will be little tricky. Little long, not tricky. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Find the smallest and the largest. Yeah, let us do this question. Find the 31st term. This is again Chechin, and this is again AP question. Term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Do this fast. Fast, fast. చూడ കഴിയാനായി ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇപ്പൊ കഴിയും Then this is easy, right? Key terms. മൂന്നരക്ക് എത്തണം.
Ma'am, D is equal to 7, right?
D is equal to 7. Perfect.
Okay.
എന്തുകൊണ്ടമ്മ കൊലബസായിട്ട് അമ്മായിനെ കണ്ടിട്ട്
Like a negative number, right? For A.
കൊലബസായിട്ട് അമ്മായിനെ കണ്ടിട്ട് ഒന്നും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലേ സമയം കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. കൂടുതലും what happened, guys?
Mom, I'm getting a negative number for A.
A, what is your A?
Ma'am, minus 35.
Minus 32.
Minus 35.
Ma'am, I got minus 32.
You're getting 32.
Wait, ma'am, I
And A is
miscalculated.
minus 32.
Ma'am, I miscalculated. 32.
D is minus 7. D is minus 7.
Ma'am, D is 7. Oh, it's minus 7.
That is why I think you went wrong.
D,
No, ma'am.
D is 7,
Ma'am, what's the
not minus 7.
ID minus 35? Because it's
D
38
is
minus
7.
35.
Yeah, D is 7,
Yeah, D
and
is 7.
Ma'am, D is
Sorry.
just 7.
and then we substitute D into the equation 1.
Oh, this was my arrow mark. I forgot.
And because both sides will be negative.
Yeah. D is 7. So 70. A plus 70.
And
Then
then A equal to 38 minus
minus
7.
32, right?
Yeah.
Now, do we have to like subtract A plus 10D from A plus 15D, or can we do it the opposite way?
You can do the opposite way, whichever way you are comfortable. The idea is only elimination. Just that you have to eliminate. That's it.
So it doesn't matter what way we do it.
That's okay. You can take whichever equation you want first.
I'm going with you. When you do it, you get negative 5D, but I did A plus, I got 5D. That's all.
No. If I do, I will also get negative 5D here, and here also I will get negative 35. Understand?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I think AP proportion, most of you are much clear. The rest we will continue with revision. But before that, we have to finish GP. But AP, I think your doubts are all clear. But we have to do more questions because this is a pretty new concept for you all. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't like a chapter.
Yeah, too many formulas. But it will become easier. By the time you do it, your final exam time, no, you will find this as the easiest chapter because we do it many times. So at that time, you will find it much more easier. Okay. Once we complete GP, we will do a proper revision for the chapter. Okay. Chalo, you will also get one more round from school also, so you will be in very good position. No worries. So bye for now. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Have lunch, guys.
Done, ma'am.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.